We want to simplify a minus 3 over 5 times 2 over a squared minus 2a minus 3. Let's factorize this quadratic. We have a squared minus 2a minus 3. This will factorize into two brackets, and you could use any method to do this. A and a gives us a squared. We need 3 and 1. If this is a minus and this a plus, minus 3 times 1 gives us the minus 3. Minus 3a plus 1a gives us minus 2a. So we have a minus 3 over 5 times 2 over a minus 3 times a plus 1. The a minus 3's will now cancel, leaving us with 1 times 2 on the top and 5 times a plus 1 on the bottom. We now have x squared minus 4 over 2 divided by x squared minus 2x over 8. This is a difference of two squares. We've met this earlier in this section. It factorizes to x plus 2 times x minus 2, and this is over 2, giving us the first fraction. The divide becomes a multiply. The second fraction is written upside down. We can factorize the x squared minus 2x into x, open bracket, x minus 2. We can now see that the x minus 2's cancel, and the 2 will cancel down with the 8. On the top, we're left with x plus 2 times 4, which we can write as 4x plus 2. On the bottom, we have 1 times x, which is x.